Hi, John.
Hi, Jenny. How are you?
Good. Thank you for joining us on A Better Divorce. Our goal is to empower couples and individuals who are going through divorce by sharing experience from professionals and providing powerful insights on having a better divorce. First, John, can you please introduce yourself and tell us just a little bit about your law practice?
Well, first of all, thanks for asking me to help out. I've been practicing almost 25 years as a lawyer in different parts of Canada, but mostly in BC, almost exclusively in family law. My current practice is entirely settlement-based, so I focus only really on collaborative practice and mediation. I simply no longer take cases that are litigation-based or court-based, as you would call it, although I've had my share of experience over many years dealing with courts, litigations, and judges.
Well, thanks very much for joining us today. Our audience always likes listening to, what lawyers have to tell us because it's very expensive to sit in your office.
That's true.
So, how would you describe the role of a lawyer going through a separation process?
Well, really, the role of the lawyer is they're the advocate for the client. I look at my role, and I think most lawyers do, is we're there to provide legal advice. It's, we know we went to law school, we have legal experience, but we also, when it comes to family law in particular, there's a lot of complex or unique legal aspects to family law cases. And I know it's entirely self-serving to say as a lawyer, but I really think that all people going through a separation or divorce should get at least some basic independent legal advice, or ILA as we'll call it. I just think there's a lot of little things that happen in family law, and I think if they just get the basics of their rights, their obligations to each other, for their children, if there's children involved, I just think that can help them navigate their process from there better, especially collaborative settlement-based lawyers. That's our goal. Our goal is to help the family move forward. Put their interests, put what they need to help them move forward within the same legal box that every case needs to be in that legal box. They need to follow the law, but find something that works within their context and helps them move forward. In most scenarios, there's a couple, they have some children, they have been together for a while, they have developed a net worth together. Most of those types of situations, there's a long future ahead. They are going to be parents to these children the rest of their lives. Wouldn't we want them to be in a scenario where, as their children graduate or get married or have grandchildren, that the couple can maintain a civility between them and a communication between them? And contrast that to litigation cases. Courts and litigation, I think, bring out the worst in people, and I think it brings out almost a hatred to each other, and really can create an animosity that people can never get over. And then so you're never able to co-celebrate a child's graduation or co-celebrate a child's marriage. These are things that people have to think about. It, we're living our lives